Hello students, welcome to the learning session. I'm Yogita. Our subject is psychiatry nursing and today we are going to learn about interpersonal theory. Now, this interpersonal theory is given by Henry Sullivan. So, what he believed that a relationship is really important to form the personality of an individual. The interpersonal relationship is really helpful to cultivate the moral values in an individual. So, he has proposed his theory, interpersonal theory, where he has given a 6 stages of development. So, that is infancy, childhood, juvenile, pre-adolescent, early adolescent and late adolescent. Now in infancy, that is between 1 to like from the birth to 1.5 year of age. Now here a major need is met immediately by the caring figures. A child learn to meet the need, gratification of his need immediately. Now for that they use their mouth, crying, catching the attention of a mother and meet their need immediately. So this happened between one from the birth to 1.5 year. The next stage is childhood. This is from 1.5 to 6 years of age. Now here child learn a formation of learning is developed where a delayed meeting of need is accepted. Like in infancy, immediate attention is given to the child and need is met immediately. But in childhood, immediate attention is not paid to the mother and child learn the behavior that mother is really caring me, mother loves me and my need will be met, but it takes some time. See, this learning is formed in a child. A delay wishes are met delayed, a little late in meeting a need of a child according to their need. So but a child is really happy and comfortable because they understood that parent approval is important to meet their need. So here a child learn that quality, child form that learning behavior where needs can be met little delayed and child will be happy with that. Next is juvenile stage. This is 6 to 9 years of age. Now here child learn to be with the relationship with the group, like peer group relationship, what we can say. Here child is happy to be with others and child achieve this quality by understanding others, cooperating and competing and adjusting, collaborating themselves with others. Child learn this quality. A form of learning is framed like child is able to meet their peer relationship. Next is pre-adolescent stage, that is 9 to 12 years. Now here child learn to identify a person with the same gender. They want to form a group with the same people and they are able to develop that relationship with the same gender where they want to understand each other, collaborate, coordinate, compete each other and they develop a sense of belonging. So they feel that this group is meant for me and he is able to identify, he want to identify himself there. Now here child also try to have identification separate from like parents. He's trying to get that form of identification, that what we can see in early childhood, early adolescent. Next stage is that was a pre-adolescent. Next is early adolescent, that will be from 12 to 114 years of age. Here child is able to identify the opposite sex and able to form a healthy relationship with them. Here child learning experience is to form a satisfactory relationship with the opposite sex. They're able to accept them, understand and they're able to form a healthy relationship with them. Also here child will also experience biological changes in their life, in their physical appearance, emotional appearance. They find some biological changes. For that also child will give a healthy response. This is a way that when they develop a good relationship, they are able to adjust and identify the opposite sex and accept them. Child also will give a positive response towards himself to have a good relationship among his environment, among his members. So those who all are there in and around him, is able to identify that and he is able to give a positive, a good value to them. Last is late adolescent, that will be 14 to 21 years of age maximum. Here child is able to identify himself in the environment, he want to have a gratification of his need, like he want to do something, achieve something, fulfillment of his task. He is able to acquire some job, want some positions. Also, he or she, whatever, a child is able to identify the opposite sex and able to find the partner. Intimate relationship can be developed. They're able to choose a partner, life partner for them, and they're able to meet their need, achievement, task fulfillment. That can be done in that age. So this is the sixth stage of development, what is explained by Sullivan. So he said that these 6 stages will help the person to develop a interpersonal relationship, as well as that help the person to develop a good personality. So I summarize. He said that 6 stages of development is infancy, birth to 1.5 year, childhood 1.5 to 6 years, juvenile 6 to 9 years, pre-adolescents 9 to 12 years, late early adolescents like 12 to 14 years, and late adolescent is 14 to 21 years of age. I hope you understood. I see you in next class with some more new theories. And until then, please keep reading and keep watching. I see you in next video. Thank you all.